Okay, the age-old debate. So we do not clip living tissue. We do not clip the epinicium. This here, guys, is the epinicium. So a lot of people think this is cuticle, and it's not. Cuticle is the residue, the remnants here that's left on the actual nail plate after you push back the epinicium. Okay, so this, to a lot of people, they don't realize, and honestly, you can do so much damage. If you start nipping living tissue, it's going to grow back more calloused. You're probably going to cut your clients. They're going to bleed. They're going to get infection. And to be honest, a lot of people that have been to more factory nail style salons and had improper manicures and everything like that, it really does get your client into bad habits the first time. So you have to re-educate your client and let them know that it's through regular manicures or getting enhancements, just gently pushing back the epinicium and then removing the cuticle underneath. And cuticle oil twice a day is actually going to soften up the epinicium here. And that means that they're going to walk away and be a happy client. And to be honest, I haven't had a client yet that when they first come in and like, oh no, I like my cuticles trimmed. What they say is cuticles is your epinicium. So like the epinicium trimmed, so it looks nice. And I will always educate them and say, listen, it's actually not, we shouldn't really be doing that. And this is why. They will always be like, oh, right, okay, cool. And honestly, they will appreciate your honesty and your feedback. And I haven't had one person say, no, I want my cuticles, my epinicium cut. So, and also that's obviously a really good upsell for you and a retail product. So yeah, cuticle oil I believe in. I will get into this a little bit further on as to why it's just really good for your nails in the aftercare. But once again, guys, so your cuticle is here, living tissue here. Never, ever cut this area. There are still going to be, I know there's probably some of you who might like to trim epiniciums, and that is totally fine. I'm totally not bagging out anyone who does it. However, just standard and industry standard, it's something that I would not do. And I encourage you to kind of, do the same if possible, but no shame at all if you want to do the other way. So that is basically what we are doing. We're going down the side walls and we are removing the cuticle all along here. So the video there is what we'll be getting with our cuticle pusher, and also tidying up around the file, peeling back the side walls. So when I say side walls, it's just in here. And that is how we prepare the nail plate. So this stuff here, cuticle off the nail plate, acrylic hate sticking to, you're not going to have a properly nice, cleansed, sanitized nail plate. It's going to want to lift if you've got any of this cuticle or debris or oils. So I hope you understand that a little bit better. Any questions, please ask.